Okay, next one, example at. Figure shows a conical pendulum with a bob of mass 80 kg on a 10 meter long string making an angle of 5 degrees to the vertical. Calculate the tension in the string, the speed of the bob, the period of the bob, and the centripetal acceleration of the bob. Okay, so we have a conical pendulum here. Okay, so this bob is attached at the end of a string. So this string has a length of 10 meter and this bob has a mass of 80 kg. So it is attached and makes an angle of 5 degrees here. So first thing we need to do is we need to calculate the tension in the string. So the tension here, this is the tension. Okay, this is the string, so we know that at the string we have a tension. Okay, so remember whenever we want to solve a problem regarding the forces, okay, kita kena lukis FBD dahulu. Okay, first thing we need to lukis FBD. Okay, since kita ada melibatkan angle di sini, so kita lukislah X and Y axis dahulu. Okay, untuk senang. So X and Y axis, let me put this one in dotted line. This one as well. Okay, so this is our body mass. Okay, so start dekat tengah. Dan kita tahu ke bawah we always have weight force going downward, which is equal to mg, and then this is the string. So string dekat sini akan make an angle. Okay, makes an angle. So angle dia adalah 5 degree here. We are given. So that angle is here. Okay, so angle dekat sini, because this one, right? This one. So angle here will be equal to the angle here. That's why Miss letak angle 5 degree tu di sini. Ni 5 degree, right? The one that we are given. So the angle here is equal to angle here. And then what else do we have? Okay, that's it. We only have the weight force and the tension force. Okay. And then we know that the centripetal acceleration is always towards the center, which is 2 here. So ni adalah center dia lah kan. So that will be the direction of centripetal acceleration, which is actually along the x-axis. Kita masukkan, letak macam ni as a guide. Okay, so biasakan tulis direction of the acceleration dekat FBD sebagai guide kita. Okay, so soalan yang pertama we want is the tension. Okay, so how we find this tension? Okay, so since kita ada dekat x-axis dan y-axis, kita boleh keluarkan dahulu and then later we decide which one is easier. So kita keluarkan dahulu x-axis. So the sum of fx is equal to, since dekat x-axis kita ada acceleration, so dia akan equal to mac, di mana dekat x-axis kita hanya ada tension saja. So dekat sini kita ada this one, which is tx. This one will be ty. So we only have tx, which is t cos, is it cos? No, it's sine. T sine theta equal to mac. Okay. And then untuk y-axis pula, y-axis akan jadi sama dengan kosong because along the y-axis we don't have any movement. Okay, tiada motion, tiada acceleration. So dia kena sama dengan kosong. So dekat y-axis kita ada ty ke atas, di bawah mg. So ty, which is sama dengan t cos theta minus mg, sama dengan kosong. Okay, so what we want here is the value for t. Value untuk t. Okay, so kalau kita gunakan this one untuk solve value 40, okay, we need to find AC dahulu, because we don't have AC, kita ada mass dan radius, or not radius, the length of the string only. Okay, if we want to solve using this one, okay, kita ada value for mass, we are given the mass 80 kg, and we know that G is 9.81, so it's easier if we solve using this one. Okay, kita gunakan Y component lah. So we use Y component di mana T cos 5 minus mg. So kita akan dapat the tension is equal to 787.80 Newton. Okay. So this is the value for T here. Okay, next one we want to find the speed of the bob. Okay, we want to find the speed, which is value for V. Okay, how do we find the value for V? So kita tahu V, kita boleh dapatkan daripada centripetal acceleration, di mana AC adalah sama dengan V square divided by R, right? Okay, so since kita sudah tahu value untuk T di sini, so here we can substitute this one to here, and then we can find the value for V. Okay, so T sin, okay, misalkan gunakan this one, di mana T sin theta sama dengan M V square divided by R, di mana T kita sudah ada, this one. Okay, V is what we want, theta is 5 degree, and radius here. Okay, we need to find the radius dekat sini. This one, from here to here. Kita kena cari radius dahulu because we are not given. So 10 meter yang kita dibagi ni adalah the length of the string, which is this one. This is 10 meter. So how do we find the radius? Okay, so since kalau kamu tengok kan, this one it actually makes a right angle triangle. So kita boleh gunakan trigonometry, okay, untuk dapatkan value radius. Di sini adalah radius dan kita ada angle dekat sini, which is 5 degree. So the value for R will be equal to 10 meter sin 5. This one theta is 5 degree. So kamu akan dapat 0.872 meter. So bolehlah masukkan this one to here. Sin 5, and then mass is still the same, 80. V is what we want, divided by radius. Okay, tekan calculator, kamu akan dapat the velocity is 0.865 meter per second. Okay, next one, calculate the period of the bob. Okay, the value for T. Okay, not the tension, but the period. Okay, so since we have the velocity already, so we know that velocity adalah sama dengan R omega, dan omega adalah sama dengan 2 pi divided by T. So we can find the T using this one here. So just masukkanlah 0.865 sama dengan radius 0.872, 2 pi divided by T. So you will get the period is equal to 6.33 second. Okay, so jawapan kat sini salah ya. This one is 6.33 second. Okay, so the last one is calculate the centripetal acceleration. So centripetal acceleration, okay, sorry, soalan D. Centripetal acceleration adalah sama dengan V square divided by R, di mana V square we already have 0.865 square divided by the radius. 0.858. So it will be equal to 0.872. That one is the radius, right? Or is it this one? 0.872. So you will get 0.858 meter per second squared. And the direction is towards the center of the circle.